Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AutoSum in Excel. So let's go to our raw data first and we'll try to understand why we use AutoSum or why we use sum function in Excel. So whenever you would require to get summation of any numerical data points, you would be using sum. So there are multiple ways of adding numbers in Excel and I will show you all here. So for example, let's create a new column called total value. Okay, before we create this total value, I'll just create one or two column more. Of profit and extra profit. Okay, now so what I'll do, I'll put a random function here so that we will have some numbers. Okay, and same thing I'll put here. So the data reflects here is that on each and every car how much profit we had made and what was the extra profit based on the modifications, right? Now, so what we need to do is that we need to get summation of these two so that we can say that what is our actual or total profit. So once you highlight the two cell or the range which you have to add, you will see that in the extreme end of Excel you will see sum here, which is sum of selected cells, count of selected cells, and what is the average of that cell. So even without adding it, you will able to see the sum, but it is only for the selected cells. Now, as I have told you that we have multiple ways of adding values. The first way is that you have to select the cell one by one for everything. Okay, and currently this is our table, that's why in each of these row the formula is getting automatically incorporated, right? So the first way what we did was that we take each cell one by one and then we inserted a plus button, plus sign between them, right? Now the other way of adding is that we use the AutoSum. Now when we are adding it one by one, we had the flexibility that we can select multiple cells, right? But when we are using AutoSum of Excel, what it will do is that it will take the entire range which Excel finds as numeric. So for example, if you want to use AutoSum, where do you need to go? You need to go to home, right? And then use this AutoSum. You need to click on this. So once you click on this, you will see that it is taking the entire range in this row which is in numeric format, right? So I'll press enter. Okay, and currently this is not our correct value because we are taking range from MPG till extra profit. But what we need to do is that we need to take profit from M and N, right? Now this is the functionality of AutoSum. There are other ways of using this AutoSum also, is that if you want to use the sum formula, what you can do is that again you just have to write equal to then sum and you get this formula. When you start writing the function, you will get the Excel will give you suggestions based on its intelligence. So with S you will have this much of functions, right? So we'll write sum here and then we'll start a bracket. Now you just need to select the cells which you want to add. For example, currently I have profit and extra profit besides to each other, right? They are in column M and column N. So I took these two and I'll close the bracket now, so you will get the sum. So this is a table, that's why it's taking the formula automatically. Let's copy paste these two columns in our new sheet. Okay, and then we'll see how we can add the values. So I'll copy paste it here as values. Okay, now if I need to use the sum function, then again I have to put equal to sum, then I have to take these two values. So what I did is that I went on my first cell which I have to take, and if both of the cells are in continuous position, then I'll just press shift and right arrow key, or if I have selected B2 first, then I will press shift and left arrow key, and then I'll close the bracket. So this is our sum. Now either you can drag this formula or you can copy paste it in your entire range, right? So we have reached at the end of this video. In our next video, I'll show you how you can use the clear option in Excel.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.